Welcome to JS's mature and sane advice to investors who want to build and protect their wealth. The first principle is learning to listen to markets. A universal method for building wealth using just price, volume, time, and trend. Not news, predictions, or tips. Welcome, I'm JS. For decades, I've invested in stock markets in different eras and through all kinds of storms. And if I've learned one thing, it is this. Don't try to predict the markets. Instead, learn to listen to them. SEBI has published validated statistics that 90% of traders lose money. Most investment beginners lose money because they listen to news cast by dubious experts. Tips for get rich quick, scamsters' noise of advertisements. Influencers who teach because they can't practice. Predictions of gloom and doom or euphoric rise. And your emotions that are the least reliable. But the market does not speak through news anchors or forecasters. It speaks through price, volume, rent and time. These four never lie. Everything else does. The concept of sane investing. The beauty of any stock or commodity charts is this. They capture the truth long before the story reaches you. The market knows the truth. A rising trend shows quiet accumulation by the insiders. A falling trend reveals silent selling by insiders. Crossover whispers. Pay attention. Listen carefully. A divergence murmurs. Something is changing. And a sideways market says, wait, not yet. The market always talks. Are you listening? Most people never listen. And therein lies the cause of their failures. The difference between trading and wealth creation. I am not here to teach you trading. Not intraday. Not positional trading or simple gambling. Not predictions. I am here to teach you the art of calm, long-term wealth creation using simple, universal chart signals that work in any market in the world. The method is simple and tried and tested by giants like Warren Buffett. In this channel, you'll learn how to pick long-term wealth-creating stocks, when to enter the stock and how to spread your entry, when to exit the stock and how to sell, how much to invest in how many stocks, how to avoid fear, the first cardinal failure factor, how to avoid greed, the second cardinal failure factor, how to protect your capital is as important as making money, how to follow the signals and not the stories. You will learn to read and listen to market signals like moving averages. Which one indicates what? Tracking the important volume of transactions. Directional movement and stock market-wide sentiment that affects all stocks. And many other relevant, telltale signals trends that matter and those that don't. Interpreting divergences in charts. Chalking out support and resistance areas. What the price behavior indicates. I will not teach you to predict the future, but to respond wisely when the present speaks. My first principle forms the bedrock of my investment philosophy. My first principle is simple and straightforward. Learn to listen to the markets and charts, because they always tell the truth. In conclusion, here's what you'll get in my channel if you're a beginner, or someone who wants clarity without confusion, or someone who wants to grow wealth with discipline and calmness. Welcome. You're in the right place. Subscribe and follow along one video at a time. And let's begin learning the language of the markets together. Thank you.